Hello viewers, this is Yusuf from 5 Minutes Information Channel. I welcome you all once again. It's episode number 34 and today I will talk about the where can a researcher find about his or her article Altmetric score. As a researcher, you can find the Altmetric score of your respective article from the respective journal website, databases, institutional repository and social networking sites. Now we will do the demo.
Now here is an article, Library Book Theft and Audits in the University Library of Pakistan. And I want to see what is the Altmetric score of this article. I have to just click on the metric. And here you can see that this article is registered on the altmetric.com and it is shared one time on news, one time is tweet and one time in Google Plus and 19 time on Mendeley. The Altmetric score of this article is 12. The traditional metric like the citation count, the article is being cited 2 times at the cross reference, 1 time on the Web of Science and 2 time on the Scopus, view 357 times by the different readers across the world. We will check the another article in Wiley. This is another article like the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic reflection role of the librarian and information professional. If I want to see the Altmetric score of this article, I have to just scroll down and just click AM score. This article Altmetric score is the 71 and the detail of the Altmetric score is being as under. The article is being tweeted on 89 times and shared on Facebook page 1 time. An article is being cited on the 6th time. Here you can see the map of the tweets. The article is being tweeted 11 times on the United Kingdom, 11 times in Spain and other countries. We will do the demo of the other Altmetric score like the Elsevier journal. Here is another article which is published in Elsevier like social media analytics challenges in topic discovery, data collection and the data preparation. And its Altmetric score, as I mentioned earlier, the Elsevier and Science Direct article is being mentioned on the PlumX metric. Here you can see that the article metrics, the article is being cited is the 150 time. Article is being exported on 41 time and article is being read 1317 time and article is being shared and comment on the 10 times. This article is tweeted on the Twitter on 16 times. In the PLSO1 journal, there is an article, Science Citizen and Interview. I have just clicked on the metric. I can see that the detailed metrics of this article. The article is being viewed 8092 times and article is being downloaded on the total 746 times. Article BIP file or article citation is downloaded by the 59 times and article HTML pages is viewed on 7282 times. And here is a detail about the article. Article safe on the Mendeley bookmark on the 22 times. An article is cited. Article get the 2 citation. An article is being shared on the 25 times on the different social media like Facebook and Twitter. And total views of this article is 8092. Here is the graph.
I hope viewer you will enjoy and learn about where can you see the Altmetric score of your respective article. That's the end from the episode number 34. So stay tuned with the 5 Minutes Information Channel and don't forget like, comment and subscribe my channel. So stay tuned with the 5 minutes. We will back soon with another informative source and information.